Welcome to Time to Cook. I am Chef Christy, and I am so glad that you're watching today because I want to show you how to use an ingredient that you might be unfamiliar with, but is definitely gaining a lot of attention and popularity, and that is chia seeds. I'm not sure if you can see these little seeds, but 1 ounce contains 11 grams of fiber, 4 grams of protein, omega-3s, and they're loaded with antioxidants. There's so many things that you can do with them, whether you're sprinkling it on oatmeal or yogurt or toast. There's a lot of options. But today I want to show you how to make a chia seed and strawberry jam. Now when you add chia seeds to liquid, they will plump up and they will make it thick. So that's what they're gonna do for this jam. They're gonna give that a nice thick jam consistency. So I'm excited to show this to you, so let's get started. Okay, to a small saucepan, I'm going to add 1 container of strawberries that I've cut up, and it equals about 2 cups. And then I'm going to squeeze the juice of half of a lemon, and I've just got my little strainer here to catch my seeds. And I'm just going to try to get as much juice as I can. And then I'm just going to let all this come to a boil, and it'll probably take about 10 minutes, but I'm going to show you what that looks like. Okay, my berries have been cooking for about 8 minutes, and as you can see, they've got a nice foam on top. The berries have all softened and they're starting to break down. It's becoming a little bit thick. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of honey. Now this is my sweetener. This is one thing that's really nice about this recipe is it's lower in sugar than your normal strawberry jam, and it uses a natural sugar. You could use agave nectar, you could use even the real natural maple syrup, but I'm going to add my honey and I'm going to let this cook for another couple minutes just to get that honey nice and incorporated. And then I'm going to add my chia seeds, but I'll show you. Okay, I've let it boil for another couple minutes with the honey in it, and now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. And I'm just going to stir up this all in, and then I'm going to transfer this to a container and put it in my fridge. So now I've got my little container, and I'm just going to pour this jam inside this container, and I'm going to put this in the refrigerator and let it set for a couple hours just so that it'll set and it'll get nice and thick. Okay, my jam has been in the fridge for a couple hours and look how nice and thick. Oh, delicious. Okay, the strawberry and chia jam is all done, and this will keep in your refrigerator for up to a couple weeks, and it is delicious on pancakes or biscuits or even oatmeal. Anything that you want to put jam on, this is your jam. And you can feel good about it because it is a lot lower in sugar than your average jam would be, and you have the benefit of the chia seeds in there as well. Now, I will say you can use different berries if you wanted to. You could do strawberry, blueberry, raspberry, blackberry. Any of that would work. You just want to have about 2 cups. It's the same amount, but it is delicious. But today I'm going to just put it on a piece of toast that I've spread some almond butter on. So this is kind of like a healthy snack. So I'm just going to show you. And it is nice and thick, just like a jam would be. And this is really good for kids. So I really, really hope that you try this. So. Oh my goodness. What is not to like about that? It's delicious. I really, really hope that you try this. This is so, so good. Unbelievable and healthy. So, thank you for watching. And as always, I hope that you consider to subscribe to my channel. I have so much I want to share with you, and I've enjoyed cooking for you today. And have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon.